Hi, my name is Liane Jollon. I'm the Director of San Juan Basin Public Health here in Southwest Colorado, serving Archuleta and La Plata counties. We're here for our weekly COVID-19 update, and it happens to be our last update of 2020. We have two new pieces of information to share today. The first one is late last night, Governor Polis announced that all red counties in the state of Colorado will move into level orange restrictions on Monday, January 4th. This is a big change for our community, and it is the result of the good work everyone did around the state of Colorado in November and December to limit social interactions, wear our masks, keep our distance, and move activities outdoors when possible. And because the state is now showing 13 days of sustained decline in cases everywhere in Colorado, Governor Polis announced last night that all of the counties that are in level red restrictions right now can be moved into level orange restrictions on Monday, January 4th. January 4th, we will be moving into level orange in both counties served by San Juan Basin Public Health. Thank you for all of the good work you've done, each and every one of you, to get our case rate down across the state of Colorado so this can happen. We have to be clear, though, that because this is happening doesn't mean that we can change our behaviors and we can say, this is over, we're done. That's not the case. We still have to follow these good practices. We now know that when we redouble our efforts as a state, we can change the course of this infection. We've done it. We need to continue doing this good work. The other good news we have to share today is we've received new information from the state of Colorado about how we will be moving forward to vaccinate everyone in Colorado. So yesterday, Governor Polis announced adjustments to the phased distribution of vaccine for Coloradans. We are currently in phase 1A here in Southwest Colorado. This is the top priority of healthcare workers, and this was decided by the state of Colorado that 1A would be delivered mostly through hospitals because hospitals employ most of the 1A healthcare workers across the state. We now have to expand that to other 1A workers, and the governor announced what 1B will look like for Colorado. 1B includes other essential workers. It includes teachers. It's so important that we get kids back in school. It also includes all of us who are over 70 years old because we know older adults in America are much more vulnerable to difficult outcomes from COVID-19. We are now getting information from the state about how this vaccine will be delivered to our communities, how we will set up the infrastructure to distribute this vaccine to all of the people in 1B. In fact, there are estimates that the 1B expansion that the governor announced yesterday is actually up to 20 to 25% of Coloradans. So these are big, big steps forward. Because these are such large steps forward, the details have not been provided to us yet. We cannot answer specific questions today about when Southwest Colorado will move from 1A, top priority healthcare workers, into 1B, this next much larger group. So please stay tuned for more information because we know that you're very anxious to get it. We're very anxious to get it as well. We have so many thank yous to the community. You all, we all together have worked so hard to drop case rates. San Juan Basin Public Health staff has been working, investigating disease, fighting outbreaks, working with businesses. We are so appreciative of our staff. We're so appreciative of all of our government partners who've stepped forward in 2020 to help with a colossal challenge. It has been a tremendous effort with so many partners. We're also really thankful for all of our healthcare partners who have been working to treat COVID-19, working to help us get the message out about how to prevent the spread of COVID-19, and have now signed up to help with vaccinating our community. This is truly a whole of community, a whole of government, and a whole of every single one of us's effort to do the right thing to slow the spread of infection. And we now can look forward to 2021, where we will start to see the change we are all desperately wanting. Thank you.